2 दिन पहले खबर आई कि सेठ आबिद हैज पास्ड अवे एंड मैनी पीपल अराउंड were asking कि why Said Abid's news is coming on the news. Even Prime Minister Imran Khan tweeted on his demise. Said Abid was born near Kasur and in 1950 his father along with him came to Karachi and set up their gold business in Sarafa Bazaar. Said Abid started doing smuggling. He brought some fishers into gold game and then started smuggling gold between India and Pakistan and other countries. In 1958, Said Abid was travelling from Karachi to Lahore while he was checked और उनके पास से 3100 तोला गोल्ड निकला. उनको अरेस्ट किया गया but the police reported that they found 2000 tola but he didn't let the police eat the gold. He told the press that it was 3100 tola, not 2000. Soon he was set free and he disappeared again. Around after 6 months, he was found near a village in Kasur when he was running away from Amritsar police. He was smuggling 44 bricks of gold from India to Pakistan, but he left those bricks and ran away. He disappeared again. And after 6 years, he was found in Delhi, where he was making a deal of thousands of tola of gold, and Delhi police raided the place where this deal was taking place. Said Abid again managed to run away, but his partner was caught. Later, the Indian press regarded him as Pakistan's gold king. फिर Said Abid became pro and he planned on spreading his smuggling business. He went to Dubai and London and set up his work there. Even the officials in the British Airways worked on Said Abid's payroll. The whole world started regarding him as the Gold King. But Bhutto's government proved to be problematic for Said Abid, as everything was getting nationalized and government took over his property and things. फिर उनकी एक प्रॉपर्टी से मिलियंस की फॉरेन करेंसी मिली, हजारों तोला गोल्ड मिला. इसके बाद सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज सेठ आबिद के पीछे पड़ गईं और उनकी हर प्रॉपर्टी पे रेड करना शुरू कर दिया और वो हर जगह से भागते गए. यहाँ तक लेट 60s में ही वॉज गोइंग टू मीट हिज गर्लफ्रेंड इन नॉर्थ नाजिबाबाद and security agencies had info beforehand. छापा मारा लेकिन सेठ आबिद भाग चुके थे. लेकिन हर छापे और प्रॉपर्टी रेट पे सेठ आबिद भाग तो गए, लेकिन वहां से जो सोना और करेंसी मिलती रही वो सीज होती रही. फिर इन 1977 सितंबर में जब जनरल जिया का दौर था, ही सरेंडर्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज. लेकिन फिर एक खबर आई उसी साल के in December that he has donated 151,000 in one of military hospitals of country. After this news, Said Abid was not a smuggler or criminal. He was a philanthropist for people. He donated a lot in Shaukat Khanam, and the biggest part he played for the country when he donated a huge amount to the state and security agencies for testing and developing nuclear weapons. Yes, when we became nuclear power, a huge fund was donated by Said Abid in that program. कहा जाता है कि इन्होंने न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम में अपनी स्मगलिंग की सलाहियत का भी इस्तेमाल किया. According to some people and sources, he smuggled uranium to Pakistan so that Pakistan could become a nuclear power. But इसकी कोई पक्की सोर्स नहीं and obviously ऐसी चीजें पक्की सोर्स पे बताई भी नहीं जाती. Later on, he became a business tycoon, owned property and construction business, and recently his name came in Panama leaks as he had a lot of properties and businesses in UK and other foreign countries. खैर, ये थी कहानी उनकी जिंदगी की and that's why he was getting a lot of shout at his death. Some call him a national hero and some call him a criminal. But we all agree on one point that he had brains and actually defeated everyone that came in his way. He meant business, and every Indian tycoons and smugglers were shocked by his connections and way of smuggling back in time.